Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily create a glitch effect for a photo in Canva. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just create design and custom dimensions. Let's just get whatever, it really doesn't matter. And now I will just add here photo. And I don't know, let's find some free photo here. This girl. So I get a photo here. Now what I'm going to do, I will just click on it. I'll click here on effects and you will find it here. I already downloaded it, but you see it here, the glitch. You just download it and voila, you just wait and wait. And here you got like really good effect that you can use. I mean, some of them are like, god damn, they're good. These effects are good. Damn, son. And then what you want to do is just publish, download, PNG, yeah. Or JPEG, and it's loading. Okay, download it. Okay, here we go. And voila, here I have it. So, really simple, really easy. This is how you make the glitch effect. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see ya.